Hi, my name is Bridget, and if you're new, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. As you can see, I started a new project. I am transforming my grooming salon into a hobby room. So I hope you stick around to the end to see the after. But I'm hoping that the paint stays on the wall and not all over the floor. But I can't promise you anything. So stick around, guys. Let's have some fun. Okay guys, so I started. I just wanted to show you what I did. I tried to keep my promise, but I bent down and my ponytail hit the wall. I'm trying not to get paint on myself, but I just wanted to show you. I already got some of it done. Here it goes. And we're getting there. So as you can see, I'm still work in progress here. I have paint everywhere and I stepped on paint so many times. I definitely have to scrub this floor when I'm done. I try to keep myself out of the paint, but the paint seemed to find me. But we're gonna continue and I'm almost done and we will try to get this process going. Bear with me. It's clean, it's done, just needs to dry. And then part 2. Almost at the end, guys, so it's time to decorate. I hope you're enjoying this. I found this gray and white striped curtain at Goodwill It was $4.99 and it's going to fit perfect in that room. It was too long, so I decided to hem it and use it on both windows. You're never going to know what you find at Goodwill, so always keep a lookout for anything that you can use in any room in your home. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this transformation. I know I did. It's going to be a lot of fun to use this room. Some of the things in here are thrifted, and one of these days I will release a video of all the things that I did purchase at Goodwill. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you Wednesday. Thanks again. Take care.